from me and Max. That's Max. Today is National Pencil Day. Isn't that exciting? I think it's exciting because I love pencils. Pencils, all kind of pencils. So the thing for today is gonna be, how much can you draw with one sharp pencil? So if you take a pencil that's all the way sharpened and you start drawing, and drawing means anything, it doesn't have to look like something. Just doing this is drawing, making marks with a pencil. So anyway, maybe you'll draw something that looks like something, and maybe you'll draw stuff that looks like lines. But anyway, it's National Pencil Day, so how much can you draw? How much can you fill up a whole piece of paper? You need more than one piece of paper. I think it'd be interesting to find out. And then if you wanted to go crazy, you could see how much you could draw with an entire pencil. Could you actually do that in one day? A whole pencil, and then you have to go all the way till it's dull, and then when it's dull, you sharpen it again. And then go again, till it's a little nub and you can't sharpen it anymore. I think that would be a lot of drawing. You could get a lot of drawing out of that. So you know you can use the side of your pencil, right? You can use the tip of your pencil. You can make really thin lines you can hardly see, and you can make really dark ones that I broke a pencil this morning already because I was drawing and I drew so hard that it broke. So the quote of the day is from Paul Klee, who's an artist. You spell his last name K-L-E-E, but you say Clay, that's funny. A line is a dot that went for a walk. A line is a dot that went for a walk. I think that's appropriate for National Pencil Day. So enjoy your pencils, do some cool drawing. Here's a pencil right there. You guys know how to draw a pencil? There's one way. And you can always make stuff coming out at the end of the pencil, of course. I think that's fun. But you know, sometimes I'm easily entertained. Okay, I'm thinking about you guys, and I love you all. Have a great day today. Mwah.